Hello guys, in this video I want to introduce you about center. But before I explain this topic, please like, subscribe, comment, and share so that I will be more enthusiastic in making other interesting videos. Center is a part of modified strings in Python. The center method will center align the string using a specified character, or space is default as the field character. For syntax, I will type it in my screen. Let us see my screen. Okay. For syntax, string dot center length character, and in center method there are two parameter values. The first parameter is length, and it is required the length of the return string. The second parameter is character, and it is optional. The character to fill the missing space on each side. Default is double quotation space double quotation. And now I will give you two examples. First example is to print the word fruit, taking up the space of 20 characters with fruit in the middle. Okay, let us see my screen for first example. Text t equals fruit. Now x as variable, x equals text t dot center 20. Print x. Okay, you can see the result. Now for second example, using the letter O as the padding character. Let us see my screen. Txt equals fruit. X equals txt dot center 20 and double quotes O, double quotes, print x. Okay, you can see the result. That's all from me guys. Hopefully this video is useful, and see you in the next video.